Good morning. Welcome to today's English class, children. Today we will learn about a poem, The Wind and the Rain. Turn to page number 35 in your English reader. What is wind? Yeah, it's just the movement of air. When the wind blows, the leaves, trees, clouds, everything moves, right? Can you see the trees moving? Can you see the leaves moving? Wind helps the kites fly. Can you see the clouds flying? What happens when it rains? We learnt about rain in our previous lesson. What is the sound of the rain? The sound of the rain is called pitter patter. You might have learned this poem, Pitter patter, raindrops, right? Can you see the picture? Can you tell me what these children are doing? These children are showing the action of running, singing, dancing, and standing still. They are trying to imitate the wind, the rain, the leaves, and the earth. Now let us read the poem, The Wind and the Rain. Like the wind, I run. So this boy runs like a wind, very fast. Like the rain, I sing. So she sings like the rain. Like the leaves, I dance. This boy dances like the movement of the leaves. Like the earth, I am still. This girl stands like earth. But the earth stands still? It is moving. Can you feel the earth move? No, we do not feel the movement of the earth. Now let me read the poem. Follow with me. The wind and the rain. Like the wind, I run. Like the rain, I sing. Like the leaves, I dance. Like the earth, I am still. This poem was written by the famous Indian poet Mr. Ruskin Bond. Please do a reading practice in the poem. When time permits, you can go out for a nature walk and observe few things. Can you feel the wind blowing? Are there any clouds in the sky? Is it a cloudy or a sunny day? Do you see any birds or butterflies flying about? If you, what kind of birds do you see? Observe the nature and discuss it with your family members. Now you can turn to the next page. What can the children do? Take the sentences that are true. The children can run like the wind. Is it true? Yes, you can put a tick. Fly like a bird? No. Sing like the rain? Yes, so put a tick. Dance like the leaves? True. Tick. Float like a cloud? No. Be still like the earth? Yes, put a tick. You can complete this fun time. Minnie is on the swing. Take Ali and Sarah to Minnie. You have to draw lines so you can take them to meet Minnie. It goes like this. Okay. Now let's go for exercise B. Read aloud with your teacher. We have learnt similar words like this, and we know when two vowels come together, it takes the sound of the first letter. A-I, A, R-A-I-N, rain, G-A-I-N, gain, the profit you gain. Next, M-A-I-N, main, which is important, main door, main key, something like that. Next, P-A-I-N, pain, S-T-A-I-N, stain. So this is a stain. So next is OO sound. You have both short and long sound. Here all you have is long sound. Oo, B-O-O-T, boot. C-O-O-L, cool. Boot refers to your shoes. Cool, very cool, chill. T-O-O-L, tool. All these are tools. Next, H-O-O-T, hoot. That's the sound of an owl. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Next, P-O-O-L, pool, swimming pool. Next, learn A-L-L words. B-A-L-L, ball. C-A-L-L, call. F-A-L-L, fall. H-A-L-L, hall. T-A-L-L, tall. Please read these words aloud and practice again. Read the poem and complete the exercise in page number 36. Then go for a nature walk, observe and list the things that you were asked to do. That's all for today, children. Have a nice day.